Ka Basa di Dohkha hayau dok lasdang bat Kynjah akasi Hadien Hadien bagi Nongdie ke lahapan Leit Phai no Hadien bagi Sorkar Jylla ke lapan mi ke hukum bakimla ban penyak yo lani bandi ke Dohkha ke belawan ra nashabar Jylla hadu khat sansingi Hadien bela tes ye shibun ke nongmuna jo ke Dohkha ke belapan don kam da ka dawai formalin ke babu ke jingma ke bakrau ya ke kot ke kya jong ke patba Habai keren bagi lapat hai kubor ubah siwan karo lapan tip sebaro ki patba nong song snong bayam minta shipor on hapan kang swai ki dukan bat kin ompat la bandi ye ki Dohkha la ban kedau baka deputy commissioner jong ke East KHASI Hills district ha ka Jingpynbna kalau ong bakat kum ki kai pot na pedeng ki sau pho teli ki nong muna bla da ban test lai pho teli ki nong muna la lap baki long positive halor ka Jingpynbna kam ya ka formalin
From the department also, we also got some input that formalin has been detected in the fishes that are coming from Assam, but it has been found that not in all from all parts of the Assam, but in some parts. So that's why it's a regular procedure also. These fishes that are coming from outside will be sampled. So generally the procedure is that whichever is coming, on a regular procedure also they do this random sampling of the fishes. But whenever we get this kind of credible inputs or some kind of news, then this kind of will be more stringent and more vigilant. This is mandatorily will sample the fishes which are coming from outside and will ensure that all of them are safe to consume.